Hey everyone, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville. Today I'm standing in front of a 2024 Bennington 24SX swingback. This boat is the LMescent blue with the smooth flat panel coloring. Has the tri-tune package on it with the 250 horsepower V8 engine. Come around back, let me show you some of my favorite features. This boat has the extended aft deck, which gives you lots of room to be able to swim and lounge on. You got the reversible facing seat, so you can lounge rear facing while everybody's swimming in the back. We do have the large ski tow bar on this. Here's the 250 horsepower engine with power steering. One of my favorite features is the new lily pad ladder. This ladder has 5 big steps. It is hydraulic or spring assisted, to be able to go up and in and out of the boat with ease with the strap. Come on inside, let me show you the rest of it. This boat has 2 very large forward chase loungers. It gives you a versatile seating arrangement where you can either face forward or backwards. Has a dedicated trash can compartment. Coming to the back of the boat, you've got a nice wraparound lounger here. This is the reversible swing back seat that I was telling you about. The cockpit table is removable. Boat does have a large 10-foot long bimini top to give you lots of coverage for the sun. The console has the Simrad digital dash with GPS and chart plotter and all your gauges displayed digitally as well. Has the upgraded Rockford Fosgate stereo system. And they put the throttle conveniently located right alongside the driver for a nice comfortable position. We have this boat available in a couple colors. Love for you to come and take a look at it. Come see us at MarineMax in Greenville.